Morning folks, just a quick video of a few bits and pieces I've seen for sale on Amazon. Now I bought all this with my own money, but you can go on the links below if anything interests you. It does help our channel, and this is part of our Friday videos, what I want to do. So it's just looking at little bits and pieces that we find on the internet. Don't have to be Amazon, it'll be other places as well. So I'll cut the waffle, because you know I don't like waffle, although I'm waffling, and I'll just get straight into it. So the first thing is one of these, what I've got, one of these hats with a flap, so you don't absolutely look stupid. You see them guys, them daft hats with fur coming out, they look like some sort of weird batshit dog. Not these are really good. So they're that good, in fact, I bought another one. They're really nice and warm. Now, I've got a big head, and Shelley will tell you that I've got a big head as well, but they're one size, it feels a bit tight, but I'm all right with that. But my head's massive. So no doubt, sort of 80% of you out there will have a smaller head than me. Trust me, so they'll fit you perfect. They've sort of got a furry lining. I've had this one in the wash. It washed up well as well. Just make sure you put it on a 30-degree. Don't do what Shelley does and puts all my clothes on like really hot washes and shrinks them, and she'll say, oh, you're just putting on a bit more weight and all that, but it's not. It's because she's shrinking my clothes. And don't even get me started on my socks. My socks are always going missing. So, you know, I've got about 20 pairs of odd socks upstairs. I don't know where they're all going. So anyway, first things are that, and they on Amazon, current price, as I put the link down, at £5.67. You can get these. I've seen these, and what some people have done is branded them and put a massive markup on them. They're the same app. So if you go to the link, it's that app. So yeah, £5.67. Oh, excuse me. Right, next thing is I wear glasses, and sometimes you'll see me, I'll wear masks, and I have to put some over the thing. Now, years ago, I used to do boxing, so I've got like a dodgy nose, and then I get fog coming up and stuff like that, and I can't wear sort of normal masks and all that. Now, looking around for the right glasses was a nightmare. I'm lucky, my bins here are okay for doing, so if anything it's fine. But I found these on Amazon. Now, they say anti-fog, right? I don't believe anything when they say anti-fog, but for the price of them, two pairs of scratch, and it says three, oh, sorry, oh, three, there's two pairs. Clear lens, scratch, safety glasses, two pairs. And, you know, I'm going to have to start wearing, people say to me, oh, you're not wearing safety glasses. I've got safety lenses in my glasses, so they are safety glasses in effect. But if you haven't got that, you can get these type of things. I'll just put a pair on. God, I can't see now. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. There you go. Then have a look at me, baby. Right, so anyway, they say they're anti-fog, but take that with a pinch of salt. You know me, I'm just going to tell you what I think. I'm not going to beat around the bush. They'll sort of like tell you all sorts these days. But safety glasses, two pairs in a box. Where are their glasses? £8.99 for two pairs delivered to your door from Amazon. So that's not bad. Now, you can go and support local businesses. I always say, if you find somewhere like small local businesses, go and support them. But if you can, and you need it delivered to your house and stuff like that, Amazon's fine for that, isn't it? You know, it's either or. So the third thing is one of these. Now, I wanted one of these for ages, a decent one. Bradle Hall, I don't know the correct term of it. Obviously, from when I'm marking, when I want to drill and I want to get the all nice and central and stuff like that, I wanted a really good quality one. I come across this. I thought I'll give it a try, see what it's like. Now, I've got one of them. I've got a couple actually. Them that you know, like spring-loaded ones. And what I tend to find with them is, although they're good, don't get me wrong, I can't get on with them. I don't know what it is. I can't get on. I just see it's either the holes are never quite right or something. Now, I bought this. I will be trying it. It's a Vako, and it is really good quality the way it's made. Sorry about the dog barking. It's probably the postman or something. But yeah, Vako, all £6.71. Link in the description. You can get them cheap or cheaply made ones, but I know if that's okay when I use it, that's going to sort of be one of them tools that lasts you forever. So that's it. Good, nice rubberized grip on it as well. I like that. I think it's really good. One of them handy tools. So the next thing on my list is these little sauce condiment bottles. Use them for glue. Now these are silicone. They said the silicone. Now I'm assuming that the silicone. There's no reason not to. So I'll just take one out. Now I know a lot of you have probably been using these anyway, but these ones are a nice little size. Now, as I've told you, like I've got a glue bot and then some glues that come in different bottles and stuff like that. The bottles are just too big or bulky. And there's not much purchase. And you know yourself when the glue gets cold. But with these, you could put your glue in. You could put it in your front room at night, couldn't you? Or just hide it from the missus, put it behind your chair or something like that. Keeps your glue nice and, is the word malleable? I don't know if that's the right word, malleable. But they're nice and squeezed. You've got that top on. You get 4 in the thing. All I'd say is, like everybody, they'll say, oh, my glue bottle keeps getting clogged up. Just wipe it. After you use it, just wipe it. I mean, I've done it in the past where I've not wiped it and you get clogged up and you're picking them out and stuff like that. Just give it a wipe with a rag, put the top on, and it's right. And it comes with a funnel. Now, I've got some glue been sent to me by a UK company called Amicus UK. And I'm going to test the glue. So I'll be putting the glue in that. You'll see that on some of the videos this week. And I'll let you know how the glue is as well. But you get the little funnel as well with it. And they are, the bottles, £6.89 for 4, obviously. And it's Amazon, so it's delivered to your door. So not a bad thing. You probably might pick them up, single bottles in sort of pound shops and stuff like that for £1 a piece. But if you can't be bothered travelling, there you go. Links in the description for them. Right. One of my best buys this week, by far, is these. Right. So I know I keep moaning about my arthritis, and I do apologise. I shouldn't keep banging on about it. But grippy gloves that keep your hands warm and you've got your fingers. These are superb. You get 8 pairs in a packet. Right. I've had them on. I've been using them, and I'm finding them really good. Just let me get that one on first. Yeah, it would help if I put them on the right hands, wouldn't it? So, like, I don't know what it was when I've been using them this week. My sort of wrists and my knuckle bits here, I don't know if it's because it's tight around my joints and stuff like that, are helping. And now, it could be, it's just all in my head. I don't know. But to me, they've been helping. They've kept a bit of the cold off my hands. And the fingerless as well. So when I've been using sort of my saws and stuff, I've been getting a bit more control. And with that grippy section there, it is really nice and grippy. So they are good. You can see they're a bit dirty because they have been using them, and I will use them. But you get a pack of 8, and they're £12.49 for 8. I don't know if that's on the pricey side or not. I don't know. I seen them on Amazon. I thought I'll try them because I just needed something that was fingerless and I wanted something nice and tight. Now, the one size, but I've got sort of medium to large hands, and there's still giving them. So if you've got big hands, these should still be fine. And if they're not, you just send them back to Amazon, don't you? So that's them. Right. I've got one other item here, and then I want to show you something after that. So the last item from Amazon I want to show you are these ear defenders. Now, I keep saying I need some ear defenders outside, and a few comments have come my way about health and safety, and I get it. I do get it. But ear defenders, they are what they are, aren't they? Oh, these are great, these. I can't even hear Shelley or anything. 3M Peltor. I don't know what sort of brand that is. I don't know if it's a good brand or it's whatever brand it is, but it looks a good brand. 3M apparently is a good brand anyway, isn't it? But ear defenders, they're not like the musical ones that you can link up to your phone and what all the the top YouTubers do, and they link it up and they're soaring away and they've got boogie nights chanting away in their head. You don't need all that. You're doing some woodwork, aren't you? You know, who wants a disco while you're cutting with a you know, a saw or something like that? But they seem good. They seem it, and I will be using that. You'll see me using them. And they are £13.98. Now, when I was having a look through, there's like loads of different ones. Some are a lot more expensive, but they're going to be all right. Trust me. You don't need to spend fortunes on stuff to do your woodworking, and that's why I want to bring these sort of items to you that I can find. But anyway, so Air Defenders, £13.98. The link is in the description. Now, one thing I want to talk about, last but not least, is might be a bit late this year, but I'll see if I can get it done before the end of December. But in the new year, I'm looking at ways to sort of how people can support our channel. So you can go to our website and you can buy a few things. I don't want to do T-shirts and all that kind of stuff. I might do hats with a Wood Junkie logo on or something, but I don't want to do T-shirts because I just know, being a man and going out and buying a T-shirt, the sizes are all over the place. So the last thing I want to do is let anybody down by sending them a 2XL T-shirt and it looks like it's been run through a boil wash, you know what I mean, and it doesn't fit. So I'm going to be doing like bits of tools and hats and things like that. Good quality stuff that's sort of cost effective for you all. Things like this, just to give you a quick brief idea. These are, doggo clamps, just things like that. I don't know what price these are going to be yet. I'm just waiting for some stuff to come in, and I will be putting stuff like that on the website that you can buy, but I'll let you know more at the time. But you can go to our website, which is www.thewoodjunkie.co.uk. There's a few things on there that you can buy already, like the wax and all them kind of things, and it would help. I like to give back to my supporters and my subscribers rather than just tech sort of thing. I hope that makes sense to you. But anyway, I hope you like this video. Keep watching to the next video. I've got a good build video coming this Sunday coming, so keep watching. You're all fantastic, and hit the subscribe button. Bye for now.